First he turned around and then he walked away. From the girl he loved, he wanted to stay. Climbed on the bus, looking through the window. They stared at each other, life stopped in limbo. The engine starts up, he smiles through his frown. She waves but her feet are going into town. His heart hits his mouth as the bus rolls away. Tears run down his face. I got so much to say and do, but how can you love a girl who doesn't love you? She said many sweet things. The bird in a cage loves to sing and sing. The distance grows longer and she fades away. Couldn't give her more than an almost perfect day. Then she's gone forever from his point of view. The girl he'd often get to part, but obviously never. I got so much to say and do. Never, but how can you love a girl who doesn't love you? Never. She said many sweet things. The bird in a cage loves to sing and sing. She loves to sing. Loves singing and sing. The bird in a cage. At last subside, he turns around and gasps with surprise, wiping the tears from his bloodshot eyes as the girl next to him, a beautiful girl next to him. I got so much to say and do, but how can you love a girl who doesn't love you? She said many sweet things. The bird in a cage loves to say she smile. Oh, I got so much to say and do. But how can you love a girl who doesn't love you? She said many sweet things. The bird in a cage loves to sing.